The rivalry of batch 84 and 89 goes way back 5 years ago. Yung nag-overtime. Naalala niyo yun, no? Daming tao naman. 1 point difference. 5 years ago. Ako hindi na ako makalaro. Naalala ko noon, partner, binantayan ko si Jerry noon. Ayaw nang gumalaw eh. Pinakiusapan ko talaga eh. Okay, counter run. Lumiba. 59-49. 4 minutes and 49 seconds. Fourth quarter na tayo stop para nakakatakot. Okay, 31. 33. Last touch, 84-89. As we can see, Consiel Jerry is now being double team. Minsan triple team. At the low post. Okay, Lumiba slowing down the pace. Inside pass to Ronquillo. Block! Nice D! Consiel Jerry now with the ball.
Oh, tatlo yan, oh, tatlo. Kalas kayo.
Up. Consiel Jerry. Ay, yan na.
Harap.
Joey.
Ayun, naiwan na.
Hindi pwedeng forward talaga. Puro chest pass na lang talaga kayo. Walang forward, walang bounce pass. Puro chest pass lang. Para siguradong masapo. Wala nang makayo po, walang makahabol na dyan. Maniwala kayo. Chest pass lang kayo may pag-asa. Okay, slowing down. Number 31. Running the point. Ayan na! My favorite player! Ang pinasa kagad. 31. Inside pass. Turnover. Lumibaw. Nauna. To Cabiles. 2 points. Cabiles. Diyan na number mo. 96.
Si Dave, referee dati yun.
So, 8 minutes. Consiel Jerry. Now, sa top of the key. Libre sa 3. Hindi na makayuko talaga. Ayan na naman. Bounce pass. Ay, nabot ng foul. Number 33. Yan na si 33. Oh, apat na. 33 ng batch 84. Reminder. 4 personal fouls to 33. 84.
Punta mo si ano?
Diyan, 7 minutes, 55 seconds.
Stop. 33. Galing pa sa amin, galing pa Amerika.
Substitution, stop. Oh, hindi pa. 7, pasok ka pa. 33 ang sasaba nila.
33.
4 fouls na eh. 4 fouls na eh. Okay. Slow break. 7 minutes 40. Sarno 84 with the ball. Okay, Consiel Jerry ang low post. Denied. Cruz with the ball. Inside pass. Nice move. Consiel Jerry with 2 points. 39-25. 7 minutes 20 seconds. Wala.